Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable mobile hotspot and explain all of its settings for your Xiaomi 12, but it also works the same way on any Xiaomi 12 series like Pro, X and normal, which I mentioned. So in order to do that, we'll need to go to our settings, connections and sharing, and from here we have portable hotspot. Click on it. And here you'll be able to enable it already, but we'll need to change few settings before we can connect to it. So the first setting is to set up portable hotspot right here, and we can change the network name. Let's call it something like hard reset spot. You can change the password as well for the network, and you can press on this I to see the password. It's very complicated. Let's change it to something simpler. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and it's 8 digits because that's the minimum numbers or letters you need to put in your password. Next option is security, and you can change it from VPA2 to VPA3, and I would recommend using VPA3 and not using VPA1 or VEP, because it's easy to breach a certificate for your security. So use VPA3 or VPA2 instead. Next option is device identification, and you can change it from default to portable hotspot, and it says for itself. Next option is select AP band, and you can change it from 2.4 to 5.0, and that basically changes the speed of your hotspot, but it's at cost of a range. So if you pick 2.4, you'll have less speed, but the bigger range of your hotspot. But if you pick it to the 5, the range will shorten, but the speed will increase. You can hide its SSID, and that if that's enabled, your hotspot won't be visible on other devices. So let's disable that for now. Press OK. And there's a few more options here. So the next one is shared QR code, and if you scan this QR code with other phone, you'll be able to connect to this network without the password, and it will be instant connect. The next option is one-time data limit, and if you enable it, I don't have a query, sorry, but if you enable it right here, you can change the size, like the limit for your network to be how much it's gonna be used. So if you set it to 50 megabytes and somebody exceeds that, it will be turned off. You can also change the notification for it if that happens. The next option is to turn off hotspot automatically, and if you enable that and there's no device connected to your hotspot, it will disable in about like 10 minutes, I think, because there's no specified time. You can enable to support the 6th generation standard, and if you enable that, there's gonna be more speed for your hotspot, and everything will work kind of better. But on some older devices it might not work, you won't be able to connect. Next option is USB tethering, so if you have connected to another device via USB, you'll be able to connect instantly to that network without using Wi-Fi. The next thing is Bluetooth, and it works the same as USB, so if you connect other device via Bluetooth, you'll be able to connect without Wi-Fi or USB. The last option here is connected devices, and here you can see all of the connected devices that are using your hotspot, and you can check the block list as well if you blocked any devices, and unblock them here, or from here just add them to your block list. So after we've set up our mobile network, we can connect our other phone to this mobile hotspot. So let me bring one phone to the table right here. I have already opened Wi-Fi networks for this one, and as you can see right here, we have hard reset spot, which we've already covered, and I disabled it, sorry, And to enter it, just press on it. It will ask for the password. It's 8 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Connect, and we're connected to the mobile hotspot. And that's all of the settings. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.